Doncaster Carpet Cleaners is the way to go. A great family firm that's locally owned. Carpets, rugs, upholstery, and so much more.
Looking for carpet cleaners in Norton and Campsall? You've found us. Doncaster Carpet Cleaners. You've probably seen a van around. You know we're NCCA advanced members, and you know we're all safe approved. We're also IRCRC certified firm, so it just doesn't get any better than that. You can see all of our prices on the website www.doncastercarpetcleaners.co.uk. Have a good look on there. There's loads of videos to show you what we can do with sofa cleaning and carpet cleaning. But you know, we're only down the road. We're just outside Bensley and we come to Norton and Campsall all the time. So when you're looking for carpet cleaners, local carpet cleaners in Norton and Campsall, just give us a ring. Doncaster Carpet Cleaners.
Doncaster Carpet Cleaners is the way to go. A great family firm that's locally owned. Carpets, rugs, upholstery.